In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how we can search and find Telegram channels just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So it's really easy and simple. All you have to do, guys, is you just need to open your Telegram account like this, okay? And click over here on the search and search for the name of the channels that you want to join, okay? So for example, I'm gonna search for, let's say, for example, nature, like this, and here you go. You can find a lot of channels here. So for example, choose one. For example, let's choose this one, nature, this one. I will click on this one, and here you go. You will be directly in this channel, and all you have to do is you just need to click over here on join, okay? And that's it. That's how you can search and find Telegram channels, and you just need to click on join and join those Telegram channels that you are interested in, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.